Okay guys, so I'm basically showing you guys how I take down my hair. So I basically just put it in some twist. I don't even know how much twist it was in, if I'm gonna be honest. I just put it in some twist. What have I used? I used mousse. Was it mousse that I used? I don't remember. I think I used mousse to twist. Yeah, I used mousse. I think probably that's why the results looked the way it looked. But you guys are gonna see at the end. But yeah, I just used some mousse to twist it up in a few twists, and then right now I'm just showing you guys how I take it down. I use some amla oil to get my hair a little bit more moisturized, just to take the twist down. Honestly, I wasn't even using the amla oil to make sure there wasn't any like frizz, because the way I was taking it down, there was so much frizz. There was so much frizz, and there is so much frizz. But I didn't mind the frizz because I really wanted it to be like big. That was like my whole thing with this twist out. I just want it to be big. Honestly, I really don't do twist outs. Like, I literally never do twist outs. I think this is I don't know. I don't even, is this my first twist out? I don't know. I don't even know if it's my first twist out. Probably I did a twist out before, but I just never took any pictures. Sometimes I can't, but I miss her. Honestly, truly. So that's basically my response to all the little fairy knots in my hair. Like, they were just so so annoying. Just it's coming out kind of cute. Okay. Alright, let me just keep separating until I feel like it's like huge. Oh my god, I'm starting to like it now. Okay, so now I'm just adding some more oil to my fingertips and separating some more. Like, basically I'm already taking out the twist. Like, all the twists are out at this point. I'm still just separating more because, as I said, I want it to be a big, fat, juicy hair. I mean, I feel like it wasn't as big as I wanted it, at least not on the pictures. But it was big. It was big in real life, bigger in real life than it looked on camera. But yeah, that's kind of how I see my hair. It's just like, sometimes when I think it's really big and I look in the mirror and it's really big, then I take a picture, or I'm on camera, it doesn't look as big as I'm seeing it. But I mean, that's fine. It's just one of those things. But yeah, I'm just keeping on separating and kind of fluffing with my fingers. I didn't end up using a pick at all, even though I was low-key straightening my hair that I might just get the pick and pick it. But I didn't go. Honestly, if I'm gonna be real, I honestly don't even know where my pick is. I don't know where my pick is, because I haven't used that pick in like eons. Literally, I haven't used that pick in I don't know how long. Like, since my hair was probably like 4 inches type vibe. Like, that's how long I haven't used that pick. But yeah, so you guys see what the deal is. It's just more separating, more separation. And yeah, I'm starting to like get happy at this point. It's like, oh my god, I think it kind of looks good. I feel like it's coming out decent, because honestly, when I just took the twist out, I was really like, but yeah, as I kept separating and separating, I felt like, okay, I feel like this could actually be something. I actually did not believe this would come up properly. It's actually doing what I want it to do. Alright, let me just keep going. But yeah, I basically just kept going and started on that other side. I mean, I did some on that other side, but I feel like I didn't really fluff it as much on that side yet, so I'm on the fluffing process of that. So yeah, I'm just going through and twisting and twining it, because I'm not taking like the most delicate care to separate the hair. As you guys see, like, it really is just like I'm just trying to get this thing big. And yeah, so hence the reason why there's a lot of frizz. But I expected that, because yeah, I'm not taking care. But yeah, you guys see the knots are back, the back in my life. But yeah, I overcame, so I overcame, you know what I'm saying? Nicki Minaj. I don't even know what else we can do. to make it bigger. I don't want to use the pick, but if I have to, I will, because I just want it big. Sometimes I don't even know what to do. But yeah, guys, you see the struggle, you see what's going on, you see that I'm trying to get this twist out to be twisting and looking, just looking like somebody put time and care into it, you know. I'm in love. Can you spell the word love? That's what I mean. Alright, I want it even bigger. I'm just gonna keep picking it to see if I can get it any bigger than this. Alright, so this one piece, I'm gonna separate that. Hopefully that makes it bigger. Let me tell you that I was a savage. Fuck you, I horse in a carriage. You should never could imagine. Never say you could have it. You Okay, so now I'm just doing some final touches because basically it's more or less, this is the look basically, you see what you see right now. Oh my god, this is so cute. So cute. I don't even know what the box looks like. I'm scared to show because I don't know what it looks like. I don't know. Probably look okay. I'm just gonna guess that it's okay with you. Go play with that. God, she not going for him. With yeah, I'm good. Could never be me. Could me and I rub weed. Yeah. Favorite over here. Oh my god, this is huge. Huge.
So done. The heartache lives on inside.